Welcome back to Car Deck Unlocked. Today, we're diving into one of the most radical concept cars ever created, the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. This isn't just another Lamborghini hypercar, it's a vision of what the future of driving could look like. With its self-healing body, futuristic design, and all-electric performance powered by next-generation supercapacitors, the Terzo Millennio isn't about today, it's about tomorrow. Lamborghini teamed up with MIT to develop this masterpiece, and what they've revealed challenges everything we thought we knew about cars. So buckle up, because we're about to step into the future. At first glance, the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio looks like it has rolled straight out of a science fiction blockbuster. Its design is sharp, dramatic, and unapologetically futuristic, with razor-edged lines, Y-shaped LED signatures, and an overall profile that screams speed, even when standing still. Lamborghini has always been known for pushing boundaries, but the Terzo Millennio feels like a design exercise from another planet. One of the standout features is the use of self-healing carbon fiber. Yes, you heard that right, this car can literally heal itself. If microcracks form in the body, sensors embedded in the carbon fiber detect them, and chemical reactions kick in to repair the damage, preventing structural failure. This not only extends the car's life but also marks a revolutionary leap in automotive safety and durability. Now let's talk about performance. Unlike Lamborghini's traditional V12 monsters, the Terzo Millennio is fully electric. But it doesn't rely on conventional lithium-ion batteries. Instead, it uses supercapacitors, advanced energy storage systems that can charge and discharge much faster than traditional batteries. This means instant torque, explosive acceleration, and efficiency at a level that feels almost unreal. Each wheel houses its own electric motor, creating a system that offers perfect torque vectoring, handling precision, and unbelievable agility around corners. It's not just speed in a straight line, it's about complete control in every driving scenario. Step inside, and the Terzo Millennio feels like a fighter jet cockpit redesigned for the road. The interior is low-slung, futuristic, and entirely focused on the driver. From the Y-shaped digital displays to the sculpted carbon fiber console, everything screams innovation while still keeping Lamborghini's DNA of sharpness and drama alive. Even the seating feels like it was designed for racing in another dimension. Another highlight is the aerodynamics. Lamborghini's engineers have gone far beyond spoilers and diffusers. Every surface of this car is sculpted for airflow management. Massive aero channels cut through the body, the sharp front splitter digs into the wind, and the entire roofline is engineered for maximum efficiency. This isn't just a car you look at, it's a car you study, because every angle, every crease, and every line serves a purpose. The Terzo Millennio may be a concept, but its technology is far from a fantasy. Lamborghini has openly said that elements from this car, like energy storage advancements, self-healing materials, and futuristic aerodynamics, will shape the future of their production lineup. In other words, this car is a roadmap of what Lamborghini hypercars will look like in the decades to come. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio is more than just a concept, it's a bold statement about the future of performance and design. While it may never be built exactly as we see it today, it lays the foundation for the technologies and philosophies that will drive the next generation of Lamborghinis. It's futuristic, it's radical, and it dares to ask the question, what happens when passion meets innovation in a world where combustion engines are fading away? The Terzo Millennio proves that Lamborghini doesn't intend to just adapt to the future, it plans to lead it. From self-healing materials to all-electric propulsion, it redefines what's possible and ensures that the thrill of driving will never disappear, even in the electric age. This isn't just the future of Lamborghini, it's the future of hypercars. So, what do you think? Should Lamborghini turn the Terzo Millennio into a production-ready hypercar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this showcase of the most futuristic Lambo ever, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us here at Car Deck Unlocked for more car reviews, showcases, and deep dives into the world of supercars and hypercars.